Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2017 Mazda 6. Exceptionally stylish and fun to drive, the Mazda 6 has quality, dependability, and reliability at the heart of its design. This acclaimed sports sedan appeals to your senses and your wallet. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD. Come take a test drive today.